2 propane tanks. They are both filled right now, so you don't want to worry about that for a little bit. You want to come out here, manually open, manually close these guys. Right now we are pointing at this tank, so we're going to be drawing from that tank. And then once that tank is empty, you have to switch this guy over, and now we're drawing from this tank.
Okay.
You can't put it in the middle. It'll draw from both, but they're both going to empty at the same time. And there's no gauge to tell you how full they are. So you can buy aftermarket ones.
Yeah.
But that's why I like the point. So then I know this tank's completely empty, and I still got a full one over here. So, and these are actually the size that you can exchange into Home Depot and something like
Or
that.
you can get them filled some places.
You can get them.
Yeah,
We'll
okay.
fill them here for
Okay.
you. U-Haul, any pretty much RV place or any
Okay.
U-Haul will.
Okay.
So. And then brand new battery and battery box back there. There are holes drilled inside the battery box, so if water does somehow get inside, it's just gonna leak right out for you. So I don't have to worry about the battery filling up with water or anything like that. And the hitch and all that, I'll explain once we get you pulled around, so I have to get measurements and all that stuff.
Mhm.
So I believe you do have solar. I think you're pre-wired for solar. Might be in the compartment over here. Here are those front jacks. Same operations in the rear ones. So you got
Mhm.
the extend, retract, and all that stuff. So.
This is a dumb question. They have to be all the way up when you're going down the road.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's your cranks. So you got the one crank for
Okay.
your stabilizers and then one crank for your front jack.
Okay.
They're both the same exact size, same exact crank. They just give you 2 because you got 2. So but
Okay.
you can use them both, one for each thing. Now obviously on these guys, if they do lose power, 3/4 drill in a socket, a lot easier than sitting there cranking the whole time. So. Then if you kind of peek your head in there, you do have a push button light just like inside. And then you also have your solar panel. I don't know if you guys knew that, but you do have a solar panel at the top.
Where's that?
See that little box in the corner over there?
Oh, yeah.
So that's actually for your solar panel, and there's nothing you have to do on there. It just kind of tells you what's happening. So if you see the blue dots next to the charge, it means, hey, we're charging the battery. I felt like the battery was getting a little low, so I kicked on and I charged the battery.
So you don't have to touch that.
No,
It just does
it does it by itself. It's pretty cool. And then the other side is going to be a red dot, and that's just saying, hey, the solar panels are charging up. They lost a little charge, so we're taking some of the sun, charging up a little bit. So, and there's nothing you have to do with that. It just does it by itself, which is nice.
But that just kind of runs background electronics. Not
Exactly. It's not going to run the
Air
AC
conditioner
now.
or anything.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what's. It will actually trickle charge the battery kind of for you.
Okay,
So
okay.
anytime the battery drops low, it will start charging for you.
Okay.
So, which is nice.
Okay.
Any other questions out here or anything?